Hi, my name is Denise Dampierre, and I'm a Harvard MBA and the mother of four boys. And I'm also an entrepreneur and leading the Set Your Family GPS workshop. And as an entrepreneur, people tell me all the time, it's not the idea that counts, it's really implementation. And as a parent, you and I, we have wonderful ideas for our kids, right? We'd love for them to be engaged and motivated and have a love of excellence. And if they can have a sense of humor, that would be great too. Well, how does it happen? And so that's what we're going to be exploring in this workshop. We'll help set clear goals and doable goals for 2018. And then together we'll go ahead and learn some tools to help build engagement, motivation, and an even sense of humor. And in our workshops, learning is engaging and fun. We do interactive activities, there are lots of role plays, and you get to discover the viewpoint of other parents and even discover your child's perspective. So looking forward to seeing you. Bye.